Hello and welcome back to Motor Mindset. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for every car owner: oil change. It's something we all do, but did you know that many people make mistakes during this routine task? These mistakes can actually harm your car in the long run. So, in this video, I'll walk you through some of the most common oil change mistakes and how you can avoid them. Stick around till the end because these tips could save your engine and your wallet. One of the biggest mistakes people make is draining the oil when the engine is cold. When oil is cold, it becomes thick and doesn't flow out easily. The whole point of an oil change is to remove all the old dirty oil that's filled with harmful particles. If the oil is too cold, it won't drain completely, leaving some of that gunk behind. So, before you start, let your engine warm up a bit, not too hot, but just enough so the oil flows smoothly. Another common mistake is not filling the new oil filter with oil before installing it. If the filter is empty when you start the car, it takes a few seconds for the oil to fill it up. During those seconds, your engine isn't getting proper lubrication, which can cause wear and tear. So always fill the new filter with oil before putting it in. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Here's something many people overlook: not lubricating the O-ring on the new oil filter. If the O-ring is dry, it can stick to the engine's surface, making it harder to remove later. Plus, it might not seal properly, which could lead to leaks. A little oil on the O-ring ensures a smooth fit and makes future oil changes much easier. Let's talk about the drain plug. Some people think tightening it as much as possible is a good idea, but that's not the case. The drain plug only needs to be tight enough to create a seal. If you over-tighten it, you risk stripping the threads on the oil pan, which can lead to costly repairs. So, tighten it just enough to crush the washer and stop there. Similarly, over-tightening the oil filter is a big no-no. The filter only needs to be hand-tight. If you use a wrench to tighten it, you'll have a tough time removing it later. Plus, as the engine heats up, the filter naturally tightens itself. So, just screw it on by hand until it's snug, no tools needed. Overfilling the engine with oil is another mistake that can cause problems. Too much oil increases pressure inside the engine, which can force oil past seals and gaskets, leading to leaks. Always check your car's manual to know the correct oil capacity, and use the dipstick to confirm the level after filling. Here's a simple but often overlooked step: checking the oil level on level ground. If your car is parked on an incline, the oil will pool to one side, giving you an inaccurate reading on the dipstick. Always park on a flat surface before checking your oil level. After an oil change, some people forget to run the engine for a few seconds. This step is crucial because it allows the new oil to circulate through the engine and fill the filter. Once you've done that, turn off the engine, wait a minute, and then check the oil level again to make sure it's correct. Finally, let's talk about disposing of the old oil. Never pour it down the drain or throw it in the trash. Used oil is harmful to the environment, and most auto parts stores or recycling centers will take it for free. It's a small effort that makes a big difference for the planet. So, those are some of the most common oil change mistakes and how to avoid them. By following these tips, you'll keep your engine running smoothly and avoid unnecessary repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Motor Mindset for more car care tips. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your ride. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Or do you have any additional tips to share? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.